Hannah's tiling his rectangular concrete porch with square porcelain tiles. The length of the porch is represented by 4x plus 9, where x is the side length in feet of each tile. Oh, okay. And the width of the porch is 2x plus 5. What is the function of the area of the porch? So just so you guys can kind of get a feel for what's going on here, they got a rectangular porch, okay? The length of this bad boy is 4x plus 9, and the width of this thing is 2x plus 5. And x is the side length of so these are square porcelain tiles, where this is x and this is x, because it's a square, right? And so it says, what function a of x represents the porch? So these are both functions of x. Remember that the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. Well, the length is 4x plus 9. It's so hard to write on one of these things. 4x plus 9, and the width is 2x plus 5. And this is a function of x. So we'll say area is a function of x, or a of x. So then I just need to multiply this out. So over to the side, I draw my little grid here. And we're combining these functions in a variety of ways. Sometimes we divide them, sometimes we multiply them, sometimes we add them, sometimes we subtract them. So I've got 4x plus 9 times the quantity 2x plus 5. 2 times 4 is 8. X times x is x squared. 9 times 2 is 18. Tack on the x. 4x times 5 is 20x. It's a positive 20x. And then 5 times 9 is 45. All right, so now I'm going to need to combine like terms. So my function, my area of this thing as a function of x is equal to 8x squared. Now remember, that middle term is the combination of these like terms. So 18 plus 20 is 38x. Plus 45. I'm so scatterbrained sometimes. Plus 45, right? Let me double check and make sure I didn't make any mistake. My brain moves faster than my hand. I don't finish writing things down, then I just move on to the next step. Anyways, this is the final answer. So if I know the side length of the tile, I can tell you what the area of the porch is. Okay? That's how big. All right?